This VPN claims unlimited data, no logs, completely free. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem. Free VPNs are usually not really free. So I installed it and tested everything. Today, we're testing an app called VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. According to the app, you get unlimited bandwidth, no registration, no logs, and fast speeds across thousands of servers. Basically, everything you would expect from a paid VPN. But is it actually safe? Let's find out. After installing the app, the first thing I noticed, there's no sign-up required. You open it, tap connect, and you're instantly online. Now, that's convenient. But think about it for a second. If you're not paying and not even creating an account, how is the company making money? Now let's talk about the features. The app claims unlimited data, fast speeds, access to multiple countries, and complete privacy. On paper, that sounds amazing. But in reality, most free VPNs come with trade-offs. So I tested the speed. For normal use, like browsing and social media, it works fine. Websites load, videos play, everything feels smooth. But when it comes to heavy usage, like large downloads, HD streaming, or gaming, you may start to notice slower speeds. That's normal for most free VPNs. Now about ads. The free version does show some ads. They are not too aggressive, but they are there. If you want the completely ad-free experience, you have to upgrade to the premium plan. So while it's usable for free, you should expect occasional ads unless you pay. Now let's talk about privacy, and this is the most important part. The app claims it has a no logs policy. That means it says it does not track or store your activity. But here's the truth. A no logs claim is only as strong as the proof behind it. Some well-known VPNs go through independent audits to verify this, but many free VPNs don't provide that level of transparency. So you should always be careful with sensitive activities. On the technical side, the app uses standard VPN protocols like OpenVPN, IKEv2, and others. These are secure and widely used. So from a technology standpoint, that's a good sign. But remember, even if the technology is secure, the company behind it still matters. Now, let's be honest for a second. Running thousands of servers around the world is expensive. So if a VPN is completely free, it has to make money somehow. Usually through premium upgrades, limited free access, or other indirect methods. That doesn't automatically make it bad, but it means you shouldn't trust it blindly. So here's the final verdict. This VPN is okay for basic use, things like browsing, watching videos, or using public Wi-Fi. But for sensitive activities like banking, personal accounts, or anything private, you should be more careful. At the end of the day, this VPN is not magic. If something is 100% free and unlimited, you should always ask one question. What's the catch? Have you used this VPN before? Did it work well for you or not? Drop your experience in the comments. And if you want to see free VPNs that are actually trusted and verified, make sure you subscribe. This is PauTECtips, and I'll see you in the next video.